Direct marketing and digital communication tools. Marketing has evolved from addressing large audiences to focusing on individuals. Today, each consumer can be seen as a unique market with specific needs, preferences, and values. Direct marketing refers to targeted communication with a specific audience to promote a product or service. In the digital age, this approach has become more interactive, allowing brands not only to send messages, but also to receive feedback. This creates a dialogue where communication becomes more personal, relevant, and transparent. Not all consumers are motivated by the same values or needs. Some are more interested in environmental impact, while others focus on quality, price, or personal style. Direct marketing allows brands to identify these differences and adapt their messages accordingly. For example, sustainability can be communicated through environmental benefits, product durability, or ethical production practices, depending on the audience. This makes communication more relevant, easier to understand, and more effective, helping consumers connect with the brand in a way that reflects their own priorities. Digital technologies have transformed direct marketing into a more dynamic and flexible process. Today, the public has greater access to brands anytime and anywhere thanks to tools such as newsletters, social media, websites, and QR codes. These tools enable more targeted, interactive, and measurable communication, helping brands build stronger relationships with their audience while providing clear and essential information. This makes sustainability communication more transparent and helps consumers better understand and trust the brand. Newsletters are a key direct marketing tool, but they should offer more than just promotions or discounts. Effective newsletters provide useful and relevant content, such as care tips, information about materials, or updates on sustainability initiatives. This makes it easier to educate consumers and make sustainability more understandable. When users actively choose to receive this content, communication becomes more meaningful and less intrusive. Over time, this approach helps build trust, strengthen the relationship with the brand, and keep consumers engaged beyond a single purchase. Social media and websites allow brands to communicate directly and interact with their audience. Consumers can comment, share, and participate, turning communication into a dialogue rather than a one-way message. Brands can use these platforms to share behind-the-scenes content, production processes, or sustainability initiatives. This kind of communication increases transparency and helps build stronger and more authentic relationships with consumers, especially among younger audiences. Tools like QR codes play an important role in improving traceability in the textile sector. By scanning a code, consumers can access information about the origin of materials, production processes, and supply chain actors involved in making a garment. This makes the product journey more visible and supports transparency, allowing consumers to verify sustainability claims more easily, strengthening trust in the brand. Clear and honest communication is essential to avoid greenwashing. Brands should avoid vague or generic claims and instead provide specific, verifiable information. Certifications, data, and transparent communication help support sustainability claims and make them more credible. Digital tools make this information easier to share and to access, allowing consumers to better understand and trust the brand. Mud Jeans is a strong example of how direct marketing can support sustainability. Through its digital channels, the brand maintains a direct and continuous relationship with its customers, not only promoting products, but also sharing information about materials, production, and environmental impact. The Lisa Jeans model encourages continuous interaction, turning customers into long-term users rather than one-time buyers. This approach allows the brand to communicate regularly, build trust, and engage consumers in a more sustainable and responsible way.